I think we're very afraid of things that are bitter.
I'm not.
Back away from the tofu slowly. Put your hands up where I can see them.
I'm not gonna touch it.
We'll have another video about how I do my tofu. Oh, this pan was not hot. And another video when we make something else that's a little more tofu forward. I'll show you how I do my tofu. This is the way. But I'm not gonna show you everything right now. You'll see the bottom sort of browning up the side. And because we're putting it in spring rolls, I like to let it get cooked nice and hard because I'm gonna cut it into smaller pieces.
Okay, so you're using a peeler to make carrot ribbons, but you didn't peel your carrots?
Carrot skins to me are not particularly bitter. They are compared to the sweetness of a carrot, but if your carrot is sweet enough, I think the skin's not gonna be all that horrible. Also, most of the nutrients of most vegetables is in the skin. Watch out for my flying elbows.
So those you do keep in the size of the rolls, right?
Yeah, a little bit shorter. As you'll see when we roll them,
Right.
the rolls are a lot bigger, but
Right.
when you fold in the sides, it gives you room. It might not seem like it, and it isn't sharp, but when you wet the papers,
It can
and
poke
you
through.
wrap it, it pokes through, and it's just, and it gets everywhere, and then it's just a mess.
Is there a reason why you use purple cabbage as opposed to like a Napa, or
Oh yeah,
is it the nutritional value?
it's because it's prettier.
It is prettier.
We use Carleigh Bodrug's Plant U cashew mayo. It's really easy to make. It's one of the easiest cashew things that I like to make. One thing she doesn't add, sriracha.
That's delicious.
Do you think it needs anything?
No.
Okay.
Well, I've never had it, so
But do you like it?
I love it.
Okay.
Okay.
So you get it all wet.
But you just dip it in. That's all you need to do.
Yeah, you dip it in. When it's dry, be careful, it will break. If this mayo is more drizzleable, I would probably drizzle it, but this is what we got. It's a little thick. Make sure to wipe your hands directly on your pants. That's really important.
Oh my God.
Usually when we're at home, we'll sit down and make them together.
It's like an event.
Yeah. We have regular scallions, but also micro scallions, which I think
Yes.
are really
Let me
pretty.
see. They're so pretty and they're delicious.
Nice little piece of tofu. We can roll.
And you just haphazardly roll it. You didn't even tuck it in.
No.
Wow. Nice.
With brown rice paper, and brown rice paper will tear.
Okay.
And so, do that one.
That's a big one.
Yeah, this one might be a little.
I thought you were only doing.
See,
And you're just lightly pan searing them. You're not.
just coloring them. See that right
Yeah.
there? Well, those got made fast.
Wow.
Finger food.
So this is my fresh one.
It looks a little sad.
It does, but it's gonna be delicious.
I definitely rushed.
It's cute on this side. But you could get really carried away and make them very ornate.
Oh,
Put
yeah.
flowers in them.
Oh, I just dip right in here.
You do?
Yeah.
So, and you double dip?
Is that okay?
I guess.
See, sometimes I'll just dip the other end, so it's not technically double dipping.
Here's a tip. If you hold it upright and then you just put the sauce down in it.
You're absolutely correct, but because I dipped the other end, they're both falling apart from both
Right.
ends.
This is so good. This is filling.
I think it would make the sauce less messy, not double dipping.
See, I just almost dipped in. You do? You can dip for the,
You did, yeah.
you
I
dip
always
the first
dip.
bite.
The first one, yeah. That crispy kind of shell, yeah. Very satisfying.
This has a different flavor when you fry them though. It's
yeah.
really quite, it almost, I think it brings out the nori flavor more.
I find for me it's so easy to just sit down at the TV and eat. If you can sit around at any table and eat something like this where you are rolling it when you're there, you kind of don't really have you're either going to tune out the thing you're doing, or you're going to tune out the TV.
Right.
So oftentimes now, it's one of those nights where we will just not even bother turning the TV on
Right.
because this is just so much going on.
Interactive.
Sometimes we'll play music, but sometimes it's just quiet. You just hear your chewing. Like, it's a really great mindful way to eat. You're involved with your food instead of it being just a utilitarian thing. Sometimes you do just want to veg out and you do just want to eat, and that's fine too.
I see what you did there.
I think it's good to sometimes be in touch with what you're eating while you're eating it.
I see what you did there again.
But it's also...
In touch. Veg out.
Sometimes it's also nice to sort of connect with the people around you through food.
Yeah, and that's what we're doing here. So if you like this channel, be sure to subscribe. If you're already subscribing, you're awesome. Also, tell us if there's any recipes that you want us to pursue. We'd love to hear from you.